This is the look. Start with a good moisturizer to prep the skin. A few drops of salicylic acid serum. This keeps acne away and smooths the skin. Now sunscreen. Never skip it. Using a lightweight primer for that smooth, even base. Orange corrector on dark areas. It really helps to cover them up later. Using baby powder to set the corrector, or it will vanish while blending the concealer. Now concealer on top and blending gently. I apply foundation with a brush first, then blend with a sponge. It saves product. Pout. Place your finger on the natural contour, then draw slightly above it for a lifted effect. Again baby powder to bake. It works and it's cheap. For nose contour, I am still figuring out what works for me, so I am mixing shade and locking it with powder. My brows are already thick, just shaping and making them a bit longer. Using these two blush shades on cheeks and a little bit on the nose for that soft vibe. I am using this shade for my base. The same shade for my lower eyelids. I am extending it and joining them to the upper shadow. Squint to find your natural agusal line, then apply a darker shade to create a line, then blend it with a finger for a soft definition. Add a lighter shade to the center, gives it that cute puff effect. Stick highlighter first, then powder highlighter on top for extra glow. For this Douyin look, eyeliner goes slightly lower, makes eyes look innocent and big. If you messed up like I did, let it dry, then rub gently with a brow brush and it will vanish. Take a shade close to your lip color and contour the edges. Makes lip look more defined. Pink in the center, red on the cupid's bow and corners. Blend a bit. Then gloss just in the middle. Curl your lashes mascara. Then tap the tips to create a spiky lash effect.